Top 5 fruits that rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60. If you're over 60 and your muscles are shrinking, and it feels like you're losing strength no matter what, this video could literally change your life. Because some fruits, yes, fruits, aren't just sweet snacks. They're secret weapons against age-related muscle loss. But most people don't know which ones actually work. Let's fix that. Look, I'm not here to waste your time with generic health advice. If your legs feel weaker, your balance isn't what it used to be, or you're struggling to lift things that used to be easy, you're not alone. It's not laziness. It's not just aging. There's a name for it: sarcopenia, the silent muscle wasting condition that creeps up after 50 and hits hard after 60. And today, you're going to learn how 5 specific fruits can help turn it around. What exactly is sarcopenia? And why should you care? Sarcopenia isn't just about losing muscle size, it's about losing function. That means things like getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or even carrying groceries can become a daily struggle. Here's the scary part. You can lose up to 8% of your muscle mass every decade after 40. And after 60? That number speeds up. Most people don't even realize it's happening until one day their legs feel shaky, or they take a fall that changes their life. Now, sure, protein is important. Exercise is too. But muscle health isn't just about lifting weights and eating chicken breasts. It's about giving your body the micronutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds it needs to fight inflammation, rebuild tissue, and boost muscle function from the inside out. And here's why that matters. 1 in 3 adults over 65 will fall this year, often due to weak leg muscles and sarcopenia. A single fall can mean broken bones, hospital stays, or losing your independence. And it's often preventable with the right nutrition. We've narrowed it down to 5 powerhouse fruits that protect your muscles, joints, and strength as you age. But number 5, it's the one most people overlook. And it might just surprise you. And surprisingly, some fruits do that better than most supplements. If you find this valuable, hit the like button so YouTube knows to share it with more people over 60 who need real answers, not hype. Let's go through the top 5 muscle-protecting fruits, and number 5 might just flip everything you've heard about muscle recovery. Let me show you how some simple fruits can help rebuild your muscle strength, even after 60. 1. Blueberries. The muscle memory booster. Blueberries might look small, but they're absolute powerhouses when it comes to muscle recovery and protection. They're loaded with anthocyanins, which are natural plant compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major causes of muscle breakdown in older adults. But here's what's even more interesting. A study from the Journal of Gerontology found that people who ate blueberries daily had better muscle function, faster recovery times, and improved insulin sensitivity, which matters because muscle loss is closely tied to poor blood sugar control. Plus, blueberries may enhance the way your muscles respond to exercise, even if it's light activity like walking or yoga. Want to rebuild muscle naturally? A handful of blueberries a day could be your best friend. Have you tried adding blueberries to your breakfast yet? If not, start tomorrow and notice the difference. Muscles don't just need fuel, they need protection. And blueberries are like bodyguards in a bowl. Next up is a fruit you probably snack on every day: bananas. And here's why they're so crucial. 2. Bananas. The natural muscle relaxer. Bananas often get labeled as just a source of sugar or quick energy, but they're far more valuable, especially after 60. Why? Potassium. As you age, potassium levels drop, and that's a problem because low potassium can cause muscle cramps, weakness, slower reflexes, even heart irregularities. 1 medium banana has about 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, which supports muscle contraction, fluid balance, and most importantly, muscle recovery. And don't forget, bananas are rich in vitamin B6, which helps your body metabolize protein and build muscle tissue more efficiently. Here's a tip. Pair a banana with a handful of nuts or a boiled egg post-workout or after a walk. It gives your muscles exactly what they need, fast. Pro tip: pair these fruits with a little healthy fat like nuts or olive oil. It helps your body absorb all those muscle-supporting nutrients even better. 3. Oranges. More than just vitamin C. Most people think oranges are just for colds. But if you're trying to reverse muscle loss, oranges deserve a permanent spot on your plate. Here's why. Vitamin C plays a key role in collagen synthesis. That's not just for skin. It helps rebuild muscle tissue, tendons, and ligaments. Oranges also improve iron absorption, which supports oxygen delivery to your muscles during physical activity. And they contain flavonoids like hesperidin, which reduce muscle inflammation and support overall circulation. In fact, poor circulation is a hidden reason why many seniors lose muscle faster, because nutrients just aren't reaching the muscle fibers efficiently. Eating one orange a day isn't just healthy, it's strategic. 4. Kiwi. The digestive powerhouse that helps you absorb more protein. Now this one surprises a lot of people. Kiwi doesn't just taste good, it contains a special enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down protein more efficiently in your gut. Think about it. You could eat the perfect diet, but if your body can't absorb the nutrients properly, your muscles won't benefit. Kiwi also brings high vitamin C levels, even more than oranges, folate and vitamin E, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. It's especially helpful if you feel bloated, heavy, or gassy after meals. Common signs of slowed digestion after 60. Just 1 or 2 kiwis a day can help unlock the muscle-building power of the rest of your meals. Now, most people think the best muscle foods are all about meat and protein powders. But this last fruit flips that idea on its head. This tropical fruit is something doctors don't talk about much, but it might be your secret weapon. This fruit will surprise you. 5. Pineapple, the inflammation crusher. Last but not least, let's talk about pineapple. This tropical fruit contains something really special: bromelain. It's a natural enzyme that helps reduce muscle soreness, stiffness, and inflammation, especially in people dealing with chronic pain or joint issues. And here's what makes it powerful. Bromelain helps break down scar tissue inside muscles. It can reduce post-exercise soreness so you can stay active longer. It supports better protein digestion, just like kiwi. Plus, pineapple is naturally hydrating and full of magnesium, a mineral critical for preventing cramps, supporting nerve signals, and keeping your muscles firing properly. If you wake up stiff or sore in the morning, pineapple might help more than you think. Think of it this way. Pineapple acts like a mop for inflammation inside sore muscles, so you can move easier, feel lighter, and stay active. The real secret to rebuilding muscle. After 60, here's the big truth no one talks about. You can rebuild muscle after 60. It's not too late. It's not impossible. And it doesn't have to mean hours in the gym. But your body needs the right tools, and fruits give you some of the best ones. These 5 fruits: improve nutrient absorption, crush inflammation, support digestion, balance blood sugar, and boost recovery. When combined with even moderate movement, like walking, stretching, or bodyweight exercises, they can help reverse sarcopenia naturally. It's not about extremes, it's about consistency and giving your body what it's been missing. So, quick recap. 1. Blueberries protect your muscles at the cellular level and speed up recovery. 2. Bananas relax muscles and support function with potassium and B6. 3. Oranges boost collagen and circulation, helping muscles get nutrients. 4. Kiwis improve digestion, so your body absorbs more from every bite. 5. Pineapples crush inflammation and help your muscles stay pain-free. You don't need exotic diets or complicated routines. Start by adding 2 or 3 of these fruits into your daily meals. You'll feel the difference in your energy, balance, and strength in just a few weeks. Muscle doesn't disappear overnight, and it doesn't rebuild overnight either. But day by day, bite by bite, your body can come back stronger. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone over 60 who's trying to stay strong, active, and independent. And if you want more simple tips that actually work, without the hype, subscribe for more videos. Let's age strong together. Remember, getting stronger after 60 isn't just a dream. It's your new reality waiting to happen, one delicious bite at a time.